Vermont's Division for the Blind. Vermont's specialized vocational rehabilitation agency for people who are blind or visually impaired.
My name is Jessie Marlin Maclean.
Jessie stands in a classroom speaking to a student in front of her.
And I teach English as a second language.
Jessie hands Mackenzie a marker as she walks up to the whiteboard to join her. Jessie hands her an apple. Mackenzie holds the apple up to the whiteboard and smiles.
For me, asking for help is really hard.
Jessie stands at a whiteboard in a classroom teaching.
I'm an independent person who doesn't like to lose my independence.
Jessie sounds out the letters written on a whiteboard and looks at a student off camera.
To accept my visual impairment is to know that I need help. Their support was crucial in my process of getting back into teaching again. Knowing that I had people that were always going to have my back helped me talk through, process what the issue was at hand and how we could problem solve it was priceless, because it helped me know that I could be independent and try and figure things out, but when I get to a point where I'm stuck, they're there to help me.
To reach Vermont's specialized vocational rehabilitation agency for people who are blind or visually impaired, call 1-888-405-5005. Email at ahs.daildbvi.info@vermont.gov or visit dbvi.vermont.gov.